How to fix app crashing and freezing issue on your stock Android 15. If your Android device facing the any app related issue like app crashing, app freezing or app slowdown, so you can apply all these settings on your phone to fix this app related issue. First solution is check for the app update if available app update on your device. To check it, open the Play Store. Take the profile icon at the top right corner. Here you can find the manage apps and device option. Tap on it. Now check for available update. Tap on see details. Now check if available app update on your phone. If update available, then update the application and check for fix the issue on your device. If this process not working, open the second option. You can check for a free up space. Make sure your phone storage is not full. That will also facing sometime app crashing or freezing issue. So tap the setting app on your device. Check your phone storage. Different Android device has slightly different setting to check the phone storage. Tap on a storage icon. Here you can see the available space. You can also free up space to free up space on your device. And after that check fix the app crashing issue or not. If you still facing the issue, third option is clear the app cache and data. So to clear the app cache, open the app drawer on your phone, long press the application that facing the issue. So here we select the WhatsApp application in my phone. You can select the application you facing issue, long press it, tap the eye icon. Now you can find this type of setting for app. Tap the storage and cache option. Now here you can find the clear cache option. So you need to first clear the cache on your device and you can see the cache 0. Now check app fix the app crashing issue not on your Android device. If you still facing issue, tap the clear storage. Clear storage will permanently delete all application data from your device. So make sure your important data save on your device. So clear the app data. After that check again to fix the issue or not. If you still facing the issue, the last option you need to try is the uninstall the application and reinstall it on your device. To uninstall the application, long press the app, tap the icon again and you can find the uninstall application. Tap on uninstall. Now you can see the do you want to uninstall app, tap on OK to uninstall. So uninstall it and again go to Play Store and the reinstall it again and check fix the app crashing or freezing issue on your Android 50 and other Android device. That's it. Please like it, share it.